Hey, how much are we getting paid by Samsung to make this video? That's a lot of commas. Are you sure they want this video? Okay. So Apple has just finished their Worldwide Developers Conference for this year. Nothing groundbreaking or any new devices just yet. Instead, they went over key features and improvements of different operating systems on each one of their devices, with also a discussion about privacy. Before you go down in the comments and say that I'm a Samsung shell or something, let me preface this by saying that yes, I do have a Samsung as my daily driver, the Note 10 Plus specifically. But I've also had an iPhone 8 Plus for about a year prior to the Note 10. Apple has also introduced app libraries where it automatically organizes your apps based on the category or use case of each app that isn't on your home screen. You can also hide your app pages that you no longer need apart from the pages that you frequently use. So instead of having 10 pages full of apps that you rarely go on to the 10th page to use, you just have 3 and you go on each one because you go on each one of them almost every day. These next features only relate to iMessage, and since it's iOS only messaging app, I'll count it as a win for Apple in this case. You can also have pinned conversations, a way to easily get the most important conversations up and above your messages so you can easily get to them. Group photos, a surprisingly useful way to give your group conversation a visual identity by adding a picture, emoji, or memoji. But that sounds more like a meme emoji. Aha! And mentions, to direct a message to someone to have your name highlighted, just like if you tag somebody in Discord. Apple has also implemented the support for car keys in your wallet app, so if you just happen to own a car that uses one of those key cards like a Tesla or BMW, just like what it shows on Apple's website, you can easily use your car key from your wallet app. And if you are one of those owners, can I take your Tesla for a ride around the block, please? I really want to drive a Tesla. Alright, now that I got those out of the way, time for the blatant copies, or should I say strategic borrowing. I'll quickly rattle them off and let's see how fast I can. Does that work? Okay. Compact calls. Calls from your iPhone, FaceTime, and third-party apps display in an all-new compact design that does not take up the full screen, a feature that Android has since 2018 on Android 9.0. Picture-in-picture. You can now keep watching videos or continue your FaceTime call while you use any other app. Android had this feature back in 2017 on Android 8.0, but only works for YouTube at the moment since many developers haven't really implemented it in more use cases. The Translate app. Translate is an app that translates on the fly of your voice for when talking to people that don't know your native language. Has Apple ever heard of Google Translate? I know it's not perfect, but they have this feature for a while now. Maps have gotten more accurate and will soon have support for UK, Canada, and Ireland. Guides were implemented where you can get the latest recommendations for new places to visit. Cycling is now a transport option on maps, even including elevation info. There's also warnings for steps and sharp turns, electric vehicle routing, where the map tracks the charge of your electric car and reroutes you to an EV post if you need a charge. They also have congestion zones with alternate routing. Seriously, Google has owned the map category of apps since forever now, and has been people's go-to option for map. Oh, by the way, Google, I think you dropped this. You want it back? And last but not least, widgets. You can now add multiple widgets to your home screen. There's a brand new widget gallery with most Apple widgets built in. More data rich, scalability, ability to add widgets to your home screen. You can also swipe through widgets if you choose not to use automatic widget suggestions. Android had resizable home screen widgets since Android 3.1. Android 3.1 was released in 2011. Almost 10 years ago, Android has had widgets before Apple did. There were many other announcements made at the WWDC this year, but I was more focusing on iOS 14 and the improvements and what news that came out for the iOS. I'll have more videos coming out over different aspects of the keynote, possibly another one this week, because this was like all of a sudden recording of this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you like this sort of setup. I like recording as I'm moving this thing around because it's new. Also, the light up there is new. That's fine. You could actually see me now. There's 3 shelves over there. Toad is the only one at the moment. Here's a plug for my PO box. But if you want me to put something back there, or if you want to send me something, and maybe I could do a mail time video in the future, let me know. And I have my address down below. Send me mail. I have holographic stickers for my energy drink brand. They look so great. I'm so excited. I have more than 8 cases. If you want to buy one, you can buy one for free down below at the link in the description, stealthenergyco.com. There it is right there. You can buy one for free. You just have to pay for shipping. Yes, I'm using this time to plug my stuff, and I'm recording this at the end, but I might put it in the front in between the features or whatever. Yeah, see ya, bye.